In today's video, I'm going to be showing you and also help you to understand how to sell digital products online, not physical things which you hold in your hands, but digital ones, and how you can make a really good amount of money online. So if you're stuck and don't have any clue about what to sell, or just need some ideas, then stick around because I've got your back. I'm going to be sharing with you 10 digital products ideas and show you how to make them without spending a penny. Plus, I'll spill the beans on how to start selling them right away and make money. So watch till the end of this video because I've crammed this video full of valuable information that others would charge you a fortune for. So just to make you begin making money online. The aim here is for you to start brainstorming ideas while watching this video. So by the time it's over, you'll know exactly what digital products to sell online and make some serious money. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, a big hello and thanks for stopping by. My goal is to help everyday regular people like you and me make money online using simple methods, strategies and tools so you can earn passive income online without all the hassle, so you can stop struggling to make ends meet and ultimately take back more of your time and gain the financial freedom you so deserve. I'm excited because soon you'll be able to invest in your family and your passions. But before we dive into today's video, please be sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help our channel grow. And don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know how you're getting on. Now, let's simplify things. When we talk about digital products, we mean stuff you can't physically hold. Digital products are such things as ebooks or various planners. So just like physical products, these digital ones should solve a problem or fill a need in someone's life. And of course, they've got to be valuable. And remember, they don't have to be strictly educational. Entertainment works too, but educational products tend to be more valuable and profitable. The best digital products should target specific problems people have. They don't have to be life-changing, but they've got to offer value. Keep this in mind as we dive into these very profitable ideas. So, first up, we've got motivational wall art. These digital posters have a ton of cash without the seller even lifting a finger. And because they're digital downloads, there's no printing or shipping involved on your end. You just create them, list them, and start making sales. Next up, we have digital planners. Digital planners on platforms like Etsy are making good money. So, with many styles available, the possibilities are endless. You could even create a homeschool planner because of the growing interest in homeschooling. Then we have content calendars with more and more people getting into content creation. There's such a demand for tools to help them stay organized. So, this is where creating content calendars can solve this problem for them. Ebooks and guides are another great option. Whatever you're knowledgeable about, you can turn into an ebook. And don't worry, if you're not a professional writer, you can use tools like ChatGPT to help you out. Cookbooks and recipes are also popular digital products. So then, if you've got traditional family recipes or loved creating new ones, then why not turn them into a digital product? Also, you could even monetize your grandparents' or your grandma's cookbook and sell it. Fitness guides are another perfect addition. So if you're on a fitness journey yourself, you don't have to be a fitness influencer. All you need to do is share what's working for you and keep people motivated. Idea number 7 is travel guides and itineraries. You don't have to be a globetrotter to get into this. Even if you haven't been to certain places, you can research and create itineraries to sell. Imagine sharing your own travel experiences or curating exciting adventures for others. If you've got travel tales or tips, then why not put them into a digital product and make some extra needed cash? Number 8 is for the millions of mums out there. It's mums guides and kids activities. If you're a mum who loves doing fun DIY activities with your kids, then why not share your creative ideas and sell them as digital products? From colouring pages to games, there's a ton of stuff you can create and sell. Many mums are already doing it and making good money. Number 9 is weekly meal planners. If you're into meal prepping and planning, why not create and sell your meal plans? If you've already got a system that works for you, chances are others will find it useful also. You could be helping others eat healthier while making some extra dough. Number 10 is Canva templates. Ever heard of Canva? It's an awesome tool for creating graphics, and you could use it to design templates to sell. From social media posts to business cards, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, Canva is free. So why not take advantage of it? When it comes to selling digital products, Etsy is a platform, a very popular platform, but it can come with fees. However, instead, consider creating your own website and driving traffic to it through your social media, such as Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, because these are all great places to promote your products for free. Guys, just pick a niche you're passionate about and create multiple products around it, whether it's fitness, cooking, or travel. Focus on what you love, what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and the ideas will flow. And remember, it's all about finding your purpose and interests so you can build a solid presence online around them. So, to sum up, Canva is your go to for creating digital products, and platforms like Thinkific and Experientify are great for hosting them. Get your website set up, start promoting your products, and watch the sales roll in. So, there you have it, folks. 10 digital product ideas to get you started. Remember, the key is to offer value, solve a problem. With these ideas, you can create something valuable and start making money online. Guys, I do hope these ideas have inspired you to kickstart your digital products journey. And thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next video. So go and have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.